Hey, it's Gio Gianta, and if you're looking to make money online in your home business, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to grow your home business, no matter if you're a network marketer or affiliate marketer, and how you would do that. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I was going to do, and I didn't know how I was going to get out of it. And a couple of my mentors showed me a concept that actually changed the way that I did business for good. They showed me a way that I could actually make money online and start getting results with a proven, method that works. And, I wouldn't have to be, looking for people and going, places and asking everybody who didn't have an interest in what I was doing, right? I was able to get targeted people to see what I have to offer, which it has allowed me to, be on the leaderboards, as you can see right here. Here's my name right here. And, I've only been in this opportunity for a couple weeks now, and I'm already starting to see results. And it's been amazing, and you could get the same results. You could do the same thing too for your business and actually start getting results. But there's a couple things that you need to know about getting people to see your offers. You always need to be building your audience. You always need to be, growing your audience. You always need to be sifting and sorting and finding the people who are really going to take action to be a part of your opportunity, right? So how we do that is online. We have a sales funnel builder set up, right, to where they go to a page like a website and they put in their information. It might say something like, find out the 5 best ways to build your business online, for example, and they put in their email. When they put in their email, it takes them to a sales page. From the sales page, they see a video and they're able to actually buy at that point. And even if they don't buy, they're still on your email list. Your email list is the asset. If you don't have any other traffic going, you always have your email list. So your email list becomes an asset, and you can always use it in order to get traffic, right? So your email list is very, very powerful, and it's your way to build your audience and have your own audience and have a relationship with the people on your list, which is very, very cool. So when you get in here, you're gonna watch these 3 videos first. These videos, what they actually do is they plug you into the community, and then you're going to learn how to actually set up any business online for success. And there's 3 steps to do that, to set up your business and start getting results, right? So this is going to help you to grow whatever business, whatever opportunity that you're in. And then you're going to learn how to actually set up your page builder so you can actually start building the list and getting results. So you're going to need a domain for that, and you're going to need your autoresponder inside of it to actually manage the automation process of it, right? So that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to go and you're going to learn about the funnel builder. You're going to learn how to create your custom pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to create custom tracking pixels for your data, so you know exactly what's converting and what's not, and you know your numbers. It's very important to know your numbers. If you don't know your numbers, then you're pretty much shooting in the dark. So you got to know your numbers. And it also shows you how to do exapops. And exapop is whenever somebody tries to leave your site, how to keep them within there. They'll get a message that pops up on the screen saying, no, wait, we have something else for you. And you actually get them to actually stay within a funnel. And then you can also learn how to sell your own products, and you're going to need a membership site to do that. So that's what this will teach you. It'll teach you how to create your own products in your own, membership site that you could have, and you could host, and you could have all your stuff on there for trainings or for anything you want to do with your team, to actually help them to actually become more successful and have results. right? So it's very, very important and very, very cool. You're going to learn how to do your own graphics, how to optimize your emails, how to do split testing on your pages to see which pages are converting and which pages are not. You're going to learn how to create your own website if you want to do that. Whatever you want to do in the system, pretty much you could do. And then whenever you start, like me, I wanted to get traffic. So I upgraded, and when you upgrade, it allows you to earn an extra $100 per month from the traffic and conversions portion. So I upgraded to the traffic portion, which they teach you. They teach you actually how to target in and how to get your mind together for traffic, how to keep track of your passwords so you don't get scatterbrained. They also teach you about your target market and how to create a lead magnet. Lead magnets are important when you're giving things away in exchange for an email. Like it might be a PDF, it might be an ebook, it might be something of value that you give away in exchange for an email. You're going to learn how to create the lead magnet so that you get the leads and that you give away something of value as well. You're going to learn that stuff. And then for the free methods, you can learn blogging, ranking your Facebook videos or your YouTube videos, in the search engine. That's why you see my videos on top of the search engines. You can learn podcasting. You can learn how to get people on LinkedIn, on Facebook, doing Facebook Lives. And you're also going to learn how to actually do a launch, which a launch is the way that big marketers are getting most sales. Is they get people onto a presentation, they give value, then at the end they offer a course or something that will benefit their audience, right? So, let's say you got 20 people on there, you got 10 that convert, and your product is $250 or $500. You just made a good amount of money in an hour and a half, which is very, very cool. You're going to learn that formula, how to actually launch your products. And then when you want to learn about conversions are really cool, how to close your leads, the insider secrets of conversions, and how to onboard, how to get your team member on board and started the right way. You're going to learn that stuff. And when you want to get support, there's live coaching. You could get on, we have Zoom. So that's how it works. And then there's also a Telegram group that we have that you could always ask questions. You could post it right there and you could get your question answered immediately when you become a premium member. So you got to upgrade to the $100 a month to be able to, get that, and you'll get the $100 a month for anybody that signs up with you. So you can make $120 commission per month for the signups, and then when you start making money in your business, you have everything set up. You have your funnel builder set up. You're getting traffic. You're going to want to learn how to manage your money so that way you're not getting a lot taken out of taxes. So they got financial literacy. They got how to eliminate your debt. And then you're going to learn how to file your taxes and keep most of your money and actually, make money rather than give it away and not have to pay taxes, right? You're going to know how to do that. You're going to know how to create investments right here. You can invest in other things when you start making money so they don't take the money from you. You have investments, you have property, you have things like that you're investing in and continuing to grow your wealth. So it's very, very important to have something like this to where you could keep growing your wealth and you could keep, your business rolling. So that's what this teaches you. And when you get started with me right now, I'm gonna let you know exactly how to get at least 1,000 people to see your opportunity per month. So you'll be able to get consistent traffic, and you'll be able to use that as an incentive to get people to sign up with you under the opportunity, and you'll be able to get more signups and build your own team and actually be seen as the authority, be the leader in your opportunity and also within this, right? So you want to be able to build that credibility portfolio so that way you have it. And I'm going to help you when you get started with me, because I'm going to help you set up. I'm going to help you with your traffic, and you'll know exactly what to do. And you'll be able to also help people to be able to get traffic and use that as an incentive. So you'll get at least 1,000 leads, if not more, depending on your work ethic. and if you're looking forward to that and happy about that, and you want to get leads, you want to get people, you want to start making sales, then click on that link below this video and get started right now. All right. And I also have a Facebook group. It's free. It's also in the description of this video. So, make sure you check that out and click on the link below this video to get started. All right. I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.